is Dan DeFrancesco, Deputy Editor of Sell-Side Technology and WatersTechnology.com, and I'm joined today by Sandeep Kumar of Synechron. Now, Synechron won 2 awards at the Sell-Side Technology Awards, Best Distributed Ledger Technology Project and Best Use of Agile. So, Sandeep, congratulations first and foremost on that.
Thank you very much.
So, let's talk about the first award. The blockchain, the distributed ledger space, it's a crowded space. We see a lot of, I get press releases every day about different stuff. What specifically do you think about your Blockchain Accelerator program? How did it separate itself from other distributed ledger projects and kind of programs currently in the financial services space?
Yeah, so what we did is we've realized that many of the banks are trying to trial with blockchain in many different ways. There are many use cases. And given our background of dealing and working with these banks already, we picked up 6 most prominent use cases, such as trade finance, mortgage processing, KYC, and so on. And what we have built is like a Lego building blocks. So the firms can take parts of those applications and then start to run their pilots and trials and so on. Mm-hmm. So it's very helpful to actually accelerate your blockchain trials. That's what we have found. We have found great reception among our clients. And this is like a building block that you can use it to accelerate your blockchain programs. Mm-hmm. It is not tied to one specific platform or a use case. We have used Ethereum as one of the prominent platforms. We have also done some work on Hyperledger's Fabric platform, also on Ripple, and so on. Mm-hmm. So it really gives a very wide choice to our banking clients to help start building their use cases on blockchain.
Mm-hmm. Now, in regards to the second award, can you talk a little bit about the use of Agile and how that kind of factored into the Blockchain Accelerator program?
Yeah, so blockchain, as you know, is a very fast evolving space, both from the use case perspective, the new business models around it, and so on. Also from the technical platforms perspective. None of the platforms are ready for prime time yet. Ethereum is evolving, JP Morgan has come out with Quorum, Hyperledger has just come out with a new release. So the way we developed these programs was to combine our business consulting knowledge and use our technical depth in building iterative releases. So we'll build a few things, show it to a friendly clients and some of the users, and then repeat that process. Mm-hmm. So we did all of this work in 12-week cycles, mm-hmm. and we came out with. So it was quite iterative. We were taking inputs from a number of participants, and that's how these products have come out very well suited for the business flows of the banks.
Mm-hmm. Looking ahead, can you maybe give the readers a little bit of a preview of some things that Synechron's working on now over the next 6 to 12 months? Not necessarily specific to the Blockchain Accelerator program, but just any kind of endeavors you guys are working on.
Yeah, so especially on blockchain, we have gotten involved in a number of commercial projects now, which is a good sign. But what we have also seen is banks are also trying to trial with a lot of AI technologies, machine learning, data science, robotics, natural language processing. So our next set of accelerators are dealing with these categories of AI, dealing with natural language processing, how they can be applied to buy-side or sell-side firms, how they can be applied and solve some problems in the middle office, back office space, for example, how robotics process automation can be made more intelligent using machine learning and data science. So we have released 14 such accelerators in AI. And again, we are expecting a very good response from our clients.
Mm-hmm. Well, again, congratulations on both the wins. Thanks so much for taking the time. And for more on all the Sell-Side Technology Awards, be sure to tune in to WatersTechnology.com.